Hello, my name is Elena Salazar. This is my identifications. In this video, I'm going to explain two the fundamental strategies for the summary academic identity informations, the paraphrases and synthesis. I will apply these strategies to articles on the use of artificial intelligence in the learning English as the foreign language if all. The first strategy is the paraphrase. The ten involves the rewriting the original ideas in our own words, the mean, both the change, the structures, and vocabulary. For example, in an article says AI the tools personalize if we are learning by the adapting tasks to student needs. We can the summary is as AI personalizes English language learning by adapting activities to the students' progress. This demonstrates how we can express the same idiom different way than using in the main. The second strategy is the synthesis. Unlike paraphrases, these techniques combines ideas from the various recursions into a single coherent summary. For example, in one article states that AI improves vocabulary retentions and another not. That is in the creation motivations. We can synthesize this by the science AI enhancing English learning by improving both students both students the retentions and motivations. This strategy is very useful when we are working with the multiple texts and need to integrate them into a single explorations. The first step is to identify the main areas that this is the reorganizes the key concepts in the text. There's the we most elements delete such as examples or the repetitions that don't contribute the central message. The third step is the paraphrase to put those ideas into our words, demonstrates and understands. After that, we move on the summaries in combining combining information from different sources into coherent text. Finally, this is important that checks and coherences ensure that the summary is clear, consistent, and faithful to the original means. This is the steps uh, help helps the transformer intensive information into the bright and understandable text. This is the first article. For example, the leader transforming field the teaching with AI as synthesis the review of empirical students. Using the paraphrases strategies, the summary reads as the following: the integrations of AI into IFIOL allows for personalized instructions, the tailored activities to students, and is the improving pedagogical effectiveness. This is a sample shows how academic text can be considered into the bright and the clear paragraph. This is the example in the summaries, in the citations, in the article. This is the second article is the little the impacts of the chatbots on emotional intelligence AI assistance if we all the right. Here I the use the synthesis strategies in the summary goals AI the chatbots. In if we all provide interactive practice that strategies the writing skills, they builds confidence and complements traditional instructions instructions. This is an example demonstrates how various ideas can be integrated into a single paragraph. This is results the applicates the the paragraphs. In conclusions, the reference. In conclusions, the paraphrases and the synthesis are the essential tools for academic reading and writing. They allow me to better understand text, express ideas clear, and the connection informations from different sources by applying these techniques to articles and artificial intelligence in a field. I was able to produce a coherent and useful summaries for learning. This strategy not only strengthens my academic skills, but also prepare me to teach others how to engage with the test, critical, and effective. It's very good. Thank you.